Welcome back. I'm tired and the camera's crooked, but that's okay. Because the videographer will fix it somehow. Probably with the lever that's in his left hand.
I don't think they can tell.
They can tell. Anyway, I got the jigsaw. I'm about to cut some little pieces out so we can start matching up our patch panels, and I'm going to cut this out right here because our fuel hose is damn near pinched. Let's do this one first because it should be relatively easy. There's a lot of pressure on here. Okay, got my $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean? Okay, so a lot of the wood in here is rotten. These stringers, everything probably needs to be replaced. Every time I look at something, it's more rotten than what it should be. Not this time around, but next time we'll rip up the floors and then redo the whole thing. Probably at the same time that we redo the interior. For right now, what we're gonna do temporarily, I've got these 2x4s in here, and I've notched them out to fit over the stringer. I think I only need to notch out the first couple, and then we'll be able to fit 5 right here, and then I'll put a piece of plywood in here as a patch panel. On this side, and then right there where CJ's standing, we're only just gonna put a regular patch panel there, and then we'll put carpet on here and be done. I'll probably put one of the pole thing spot right here where the old one was, so we can build that table that I was talking about. Other than that, this is as far as we're gonna get this summer. We're hoping to get on the water tomorrow. I'm trying to get as much done as possible right now so we can just load up and go, or load up tonight and then just go tomorrow. But it's probably gonna be load up tomorrow and go. Just want to give you that quick update. Okay, in case you didn't believe me, I just cut the fiberglass off the top of that stringer, and all that wood is just rotted. I mean, it's like mush. So yeah, all this, I've said this several times already, but all this needs to come out and get redone. Okay, so these are in, not the greatest. It's gonna work. I just need to put my panel on here. After I cut the panel, you got that pencil? Got it, right here. And tape measure, side out, 23 7/8. Record, 8, right there, 16 1/8, 16. Now let's cut our first panel. Patch panel's in place. I marked out where the end of my bracing is. I don't remember where the seat is, but hopefully it's, you know, I'm pretty sure it's in front of the subwoofer. It's got to be, because that's a lot of space. So now what we're going to do is take our stainless screws in here, screw the braces to the plywood, and then the plywood will attach to our stringer, or wannabe stringer. Okay. Probably snap that right off. Snap that one. Stainless screws are not very strong. They don't have a lot of shear strength. They probably should be drilling pilot holes for this stuff. Okay, so this panel is in place. The only thing that I probably would have done differently is we would have either stained or coated or whatever the braces, like in either fiberglass or polyacrylic or something. And then same thing with the plywood. We should have done that. But like I said, most of this boat, the wood in it is rotted. I mean, this is all temporary, which kind of sucks because wood's expensive right now. I'll probably at least lay a coat of fiberglass on top of this before we're done. Okay, so now let's do the other side. All right, so some people get mad if I don't show them every single step that we're doing. These are the 2x4s. We're notching them for that stringer inside the boat. I'm just using a regular 10-inch sliding saw, cutting it. And I have to bring this piece out like this, is spaced out, because if you only set it right here, you're gonna get that curvature of the blade. So there's that. Now you take your pieces and you stick them in the hole. Make sure you have your cut in the right spot. Why is this cut not in the right spot? Oh, because I marked it in the wrong spot. So yesterday I had my pencil and I used it. And today I just used a screw. And I guess I didn't see my mark, because there's the mark right there. So we didn't cut this enough. Cut it right here. And mark it. I'll be able to see that a little easier. Alright, let's go cut this again. Okay. We're cut. Like they all will go down like I want. So now let's get our pencil and mark this out so we can cut it. Okay, so corner in place, mark here for a cut line, and then this one, mark here for a cut line, and then we measure this other one. We can mark that there. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Mark this one here. We already have that mark there, using our 2x4 as a straight edge. And then we'll measure from the edge of the wood of that, and we'll have this mark right here. We already made our lines for the patch panels, and now we're just going to rip it. Make sure you give yourself enough room at the end of the cut. So I missed the mark. Give me that saw, CJ.
Okay.
Alright, let's try this again. Maybe we'll actually hit our mark. Got a little tiny nub right there. And that's it. She fits.
Yay.
So now, as you've seen on the other one, we'll do our stainless screws and put this all together. Now, I want to tell you that if you are doing this to your boat and you want it to last a long time, or any amount of time, you need to coat this, stain it, something. So this is only temporary for me, because we're going to rip all this out, because of all the rotted wood that we have in other places. We're going to rip it out anyway. So this is only going to be here for a year or so. So I don't really, not going to take the time to do it. Alright, where's that screw gun? Alright, so I'm scabbing some of these pieces in, so when I attach our boards, I can screw it into the 2x4 and kind of make everything even. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to outline where this is on the other board, so I know where to put my screws, right? It doesn't have to be exact, you know, but I get the point. So then now I know I need to put, you know, screws here. Put one there, put one there, put one there. Alternatively, you can screw it in right now and it's not gonna hurt anything, so you can actually see it. If you have that line there, you can also transpose it onto your board, right? So you know where to put the screws in the board. So same thing I did here. You know, this is a stringer or a rotten stringer, but it is a stringer. And this is a stringer all the way down here. We got all our pieces scabbed in that we're gonna scab in, still uncoated. If you want this to last a long time, coat it with something. Oh, and here's the pile of rotten wood. Plus our nest our little friend was living in. Okay, we got the new boat seats. They are quite a bit smaller than the old ones, as you can tell. But he's taking the old plates and putting them on the new seats.
Is there like a drill or something that can do it faster?
Yep.
Where is it?
It's with the tools you put away last night. Don't fall. If you hadn't put that in. These seats are rocked in. This whole base plate, I mean, there's like nothing left. Anyway, the new ones are plastic. That doesn't rot. Are you working hard or hardly working?
Hard.
Looks like looking good. DJ's cleaning up those bases for the seats. A little bit of elbow grease never hurt no one. Isn't that right? Mm-hmm. You don't look very excited.
Hi, we're back. Now we have a ton of rust and grease and whatever that is. We're gonna get this little thingamajigger. You just go like on that. First, before you do that, always need safety glasses. So what we're gonna do is, oh, we should get a before and after shot. Okay, before shot. Oh, great. How'd that happen? Okay. That sucks. Okay, so we got it back in. Got it fixed it. Now I have to clean something else with the water. See you guys next time. Okay, so remember, always put your safety glasses on when you're working. There. Okay, so we have this that we have to wash, but first, what I do is I make it go really slow, figure out the direction it's going, make it like crawl around, because if I switch it, it's gonna try to crawl off, you know? So we want it like this, and you just kind of have to keep pressure on it so that it doesn't fly away. It doesn't go like this, you know? This is coming off nice and clean. I like it. Thought I felt a raindrop, just like, oh. No wonder why I felt a raindrop. It's raining. I was gonna tell my dad it's raining, but he's outside, so he probably knows. It's raining hard. I feel like we're gonna take a break soon. Look how dedicated he is. Working in the rain. Well, I hope it doesn't rain too bad. Okay, well, it's raining too much now. Might want to bring these parts inside because I like just cleaned them. Okay. I'm gonna tell you a funny story real quick. Just kidding. Okay, hi guys, we're back. 3 minutes later it stopped raining, so I think we're good. I already put half the stuff away, but I kept this out for no reason because I'm really slow at putting things away. Seriously, rain goes away and then it comes back. Really, it's raining again? How much does it have to go on and off? I kind of finished this, so I'm gonna go put that away. I think I'm done for now. So it's probably gonna stop raining in the next like 5 seconds. 3 minutes later, it stopped raining. CJ got the new base installed on the old base on the new chair, and you can see the difference. So the height looks to be about the same as far as the seat cushion height. Now, the reason why I like these is because it has this guy right there, so you can sit on that when driving, and you're a little bit taller than normal. Yep. So you can sit over the windshields. But just want to give you a comparison with the original Glastron seat versus your Walmart Weiss special, whatever it's called. Now you gotta get him in the boat. Let's look at the boat real quick.